I would like to visit a patient.
What's the patient's name?
Jennifer Ashley. She came in last night.
Let me check. Yes, she's in Ward 10. Please go down the corridor. You can only stay for half an hour.
Hello, Ash. How are you feeling today?
Hello, I'm feeling much better, thanks.
What's wrong with you?
I think I have got a viral fever.
How long will you be in hospital?
The doctor told me I can leave next week.
Is there anything you need?
Well, I'd love some magazines. I've finished these already.
What about some fruits and chocolates?
That would be nice, thanks.
You get well soon. I will come tomorrow evening and bring all that you need.
Thank you for calling.
Where is Ash staying in hospital? A. In Ward 6. B. In Ward 10. C. In Ward 12.
What did Ash already finish? A. Reading magazines. B. Eating fruit and chocolates. C. Watching TV.
Ash is suffering from A. Headache. B. Viral fever. C. Stomach pain.
When will her friend visit again? A. Will never come. B. Will come day after. C. Will come tomorrow.